Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a fun and nostalgic coffee drink that tastes like your favorite childhood breakfast, the cereal milk iced latte. This latte combines bold espresso with creamy milk infused with sweet cereal flavor, creating a smooth, dessert-like iced coffee. It's unique, easy to make, and seriously delicious. Let's get started and turn breakfast vibes into a refreshing latte. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso or cup strong brewed coffee. Chilled. Cup milk. Whole milk works best for creaminess. Cup sweet breakfast cereal such as cornflakes, frosted flakes, or cinnamon cereal. 1 cup ice cubes. 1-2 teaspoons sugar or honey, depending on cereal sweetness. Optional garnish: whipped cream, crushed cereal, or caramel drizzle. Directions: sex. Start by making the cereal milk. In a small bowl, combine the cereal and milk. Let the cereal soak in the milk for about 10 minutes so the flavor infuses into the milk. Once the milk has absorbed the cereal flavor, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or spoon, pressing lightly to extract the sweet cereal milk. Discard the soggy cereal pieces. Next, brew your espresso or strong coffee and allow it to cool slightly if it's hot. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the cereal-infused milk over the ice until the glass is about 3/4 full. Slowly pour the espresso over the milk to create a layered iced latte effect. If you prefer it fully mixed, simply stir everything together. For an extra treat, top the drink with whipped cream and a sprinkle of crushed cereal for texture and visual appeal. The result is a creamy cereal milk iced latte that tastes like sweet breakfast nostalgia combined with bold coffee flavor. And that's how you make a delicious cereal milk iced latte at home. It's creamy, fun, and packed with nostalgic cereal flavor in every sip. If you enjoyed this unique coffee recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow coffee lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tasty drink recipe. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffeelover.